There it is there. Real long little tail. Green tail by the look of it. Oh God. Oh, there's no one there. Just don't move slow, they settle right down. They'll nearly come up to you. Little finch. Some sort of little finch, I think. Funny looking little bugger. Wish that little coloured one had come back. Those parrots are stunning. There's some pretty rare parrots up here. Oh geez, I'm going to go and get some cough serum. Oh, there's that parrot again. Oh God. Geez, I wish I could zoom up more. Oh, that's beautiful. Still sitting there. The colours, unbelievable. There's another little finch in front of me. They're right up. I've got that zoomed as far as I can. That parrot's probably, I reckon 60 metres, 60 to 70. I know, it's when I make out, he'll have a lovely day.